Hello everyone, this is Christy. Today I'm going to show you what I found at Dollar Tree. Again, I went this week because I was looking for something like this. I saw on Instagram that Dollar Tree has dies. So I found this one. Look, there are 3 hearts. See? So you have to separate them. And you can make lots of things with this one, okay? Embellishments, you can put in your cards, for any occasion. So these are great, and you know how much I love flowers, but I have a few leaves, and I found this one that cuts leaves, and this part up here that you can embellish on the sides. See? It's a kind of leaf. So beautiful. Then I found this one that it looks like a half a snowflake. See, you can put this one in the corners like this, okay, or the paper, or you can use it as leaves and put a flower up here. So you can use this one in many ways. And look, this one, it has 3 dies. This is this edge right here. This is just a cut, and this is like a scallop. And also this part up here doesn't cut at the bottom, so you can have a piece of paper like this and then just cut it, and this is just the edge, okay? So then I found this one, and this is like clouds, but it has these stitches and these little stars that you can use them as flowers. And this one that looks like the postal stamps edge, see? And you can create lots of things with this one. These 2 are edges, and this one can make the hollows, and you can put a different color paper at the back, or you can have a lot of flowers or stars, okay? And this one right here that has this flowers edge, perfect for cards or maybe as embellishment for mini albums. These are all the dies, and it's amazing, each one for $1. And in the comments I read that many Dollar Trees, they don't carry this kind of stuff. I want to give you a tip. Ask the manager of the store what Dollar Tree in your area carries more craft supplies. Okay, that's what I did. And she directed me to a big Dollar Tree that has lots of craft supplies. And that's where I for sure find the new stuff in crafts, okay? So you have to ask them, because they know what store carries more seasonal, what store carries more craft supplies, what store carries more food or anything. So I hope you find good stuff in your Dollar Tree, okay? Oh, and one more thing. I bought one of each for me and one of each of these dies for my giveaway. So if you are not a subscriber, subscribe to my channel, because I'm going to make a giveaway soon when I reach 50,000 subscribers. I'm collecting new prizes for you, okay? Another thing that is new at Dollar Tree are these packages of paper. These are specialty papers, and I'm going to show you. They have in different colors. For example, this one has more green, purple, blue, okay? And there are some with black, brown, different. And I got this one because it has some pink, and I like these texture papers. So I'm going to open with you. And yeah, here for $1. You can make beautiful embellishments with this one. Okay, let's open this one. Wow, it's a lot of papers for just $1. And look, it has this glitter paper. See, you can cut many things with that using your dies. It's beautiful. I like this one for leaves. So this is perfect for leaves. It has the texture. I just need to cut the outside, the outline. And let me put this one here so I can show you. This is like copy paper. It feels like copy paper. It's not too thick as cardstock. Then this one, same, Okay, pieces of papers. You can make tags. Look at this beautiful one in gold, and there is a lot of it. Oh, they have in different colors. Okay, look, there is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6. 6 in gold, and right here 7, and 2 more in pink. And this is the back, and this is a specialty paper. Can you see? Beautiful. Then it has more of this paper. This is like texture paper, but these ones are like texture paper, but very, very thin. Okay, so it's good. And oh, look, this one feels like mulberry paper. See, these are special. You can make beautiful flowers with this one, and there is a lot of them. Okay, then look at this one. It has some in blue, and this one is kind of thick. Okay, here another blue, this one, and this one in pink. See, beautiful. Then it comes one of these that is like mulberry paper as well. It's texture paper. I love this white one. Same. Okay, all this in white, and this is a good size. Okay, and this one, 2 pieces of this silver paper, some more of this texture paper, and this one in gold, more in silver, but this is a matte silver. See, 3 pieces of that. Oh, and look at the back, is shiny, so you can use any side. And this is like cardstock. It feels very thick cardstock, and you have lots of pieces. Like you can perfectly make tags with this one. So this is all for $1. Beautiful paper, so don't miss this. I don't need a lot of this specialty paper, so I just bought these 2, but there was too many in different colors. I don't want to collect more, I don't want to hoard more, but I really just want a few so I can enhance my embellishment. And I'm going to show you this. Look, glitter paper. I'm going to show you all this. This gold is so beautiful. Then this one looks like Xerox paper. This one too. And this one too. So it might be scrapbook paper, but the one that are thin. Okay. Then right here, some texture paper in different colors. See? Then these beautiful ones. See, there is a lot of them. And it's shiny for both sides. Wow. Super. Then look, more texture paper. And this one that looks like mirror. Can you see? Hi. And it's like chipboard in the back. Can you see? So you have a few of them. And then this it looks like handmade paper, this texture paper, so super beautiful. See, then look at this is different. It has a pattern. Can you see this one? And this is shiny. Can you see? These are shiny paper. And this craft paper, this is awesome. Okay, you can create many things with this one. That was a good deal for $1. So I hope you find this one when you go visit Dollar Tree. Okay, and then I got these two words because I didn't buy last week, so I wanted to have it. It's inspired, and this one that says hugs. So I'm going to have these two. And one more thing that I got for me is this, but this is a port that you can plug any USB, okay? And it says right here, compatible with USB power devices. So, and right here says the output is 5 volts, 1 amp, okay? And it's for 110 to 220, wow. So if you need something like this, you can find it at Dollar Tree for just $1. Okay. And another thing is this cotton twine. This is 100% cotton, and this is 180 feet. That's 60 yards. And they have it in so many different colors. Last week they only have a white, then they have in this craft color and also in gray. But this week they brought a lot of new colors, so you will see that in the video that continues. So now I'm going to show you what else can you find at Dollar Tree, okay? And please leave me in the comments if you want a whole tour to Dollar Tree or you want to see more about crafts or any other section in the store. Thank you very much for watching my videos, for your likes, your comments, and for subscribing to my channel. Have a blessed day, everyone. Bye-bye.